In this video, I'm going to show you our Dentures Consent Form Template. This is a fully editable form available on the IPEG system. As it's a web form, it can be accessed on any device, phone, laptop, PC, tablet. And this form has been designed to either send to your patients prior to their appointment, or the form can actually be completed on the day. As this form is fully editable, you can go in and you can edit any of the text, you can modify any of the fields, but the idea of this template is to get you up and running as quickly as possible. You can add your company logo, you can set your primary colours, so the form is truly customizable. So this form, as you'll see, starts off covering all of the parts of the consent. So the client or patient would read through this, again, either in the comfort of their own home if you sent it to them before the appointment, or they could be reading it just before the treatment. Once they've read through the consent form, they can enter their full name, they can set their date of birth with this easy to use date picker. They can add their email so that they can also get a copy of the form for their own records. And then they can sign the form electronically. So if they're doing this on their phone or tablet or any touchscreen device, they can simply tap on the screen and add their signature with their finger. If you're on a laptop or PC like I am, you can simply go in and you can use the mouse, click on next, print your name, and that's it. The signature's been added, the name has been printed, and we also have the date and the time that the form was signed. We've got a data protection and privacy policy at the bottom of the form, and then as the patient, I can choose to send a copy of that form if I want it, so it is an optional setting, or you can actually force the form to automatically send it to them regardless. When they hit the submit button, the form will check to make sure all of the mandatory fields are complete. In this case, we've missed a mandatory field, so I would need to enter that field. So that ensures that the form is always complete when it gets submitted. You can't submit the form without completing it in full. Once the form gets submitted, you will get an email notification stating that Joe Blog, so that the client's name has submitted their consent form. You can view that form from the email, you can download the PDF from the email, and the form also gets uploaded to the IPEG's portal. So you've also got a copy stored there. You can create folders and subfolders for all of your patients and clients. You can keep all of your forms organized. And of course, you've got them there stored securely as a backup if you ever need them. And you can download them and view them from the portal as well. So that is our dentures and partial dentures consent form. If you want to view and test this template yourself, you can do so via the link below. And we have lots of other templates like this on the IPEG's website.